IKON Fire is Colorado and Wyoming's dedicated Rosenbauer fire truck service center. Our trained technicians understand the specific needs of fire departments and how vital each apparatus is to the safety of their community. Authorized to process all Rosenbauer warranty claims, IKON offers in-house fire truck service and repairs at our Fort Collins, Colorado headquarters, as well as our Casper, Wyoming service location. We also have a mobile team equipped to handle aerial, platform and pumper repairs, along with a full-service Rosenbauer parts department. Our team is the first in the nation to be trained and certified to service the Rosenbauer RTX electric fire engine after 2 straight weeks of intensive training in Austria. Equipped with our own in-ground pump test pit at IKON's Fort Collins facility, our technicians can evaluate existing pumps during the repair process and test delivered trucks to NFPA 25 altitude standards. Meanwhile, our post-delivery team provides top-to-bottom truck delivery inspections to ensure your apparatus arrives from factory to department in pristine, top working condition. To schedule your service or to learn more about our capabilities, visit ikonfire.com/Rosenbauer Service Center.